Hello everyone, this is MP again and welcome to my video number 7 in a basic JavaScript series. Alright, so here what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a functions. So let me introduce you to the functions, how it works and how to make a functions in the JavaScript. So for that, let's call the prompt function. Here we're gonna pass the enter first value and then we're gonna copy the same. Here we're gonna change second value. Alright, let's save it and see if it's working. Alright, so it is working. Right now I'm just putting any values. Alright, so it is working, guys. So now it's time to make a function. So we're gonna give a keyword like we are doing for C# as well. Function, and it is like make a add function where the value is A and B, and here we can declare that variable A equals to this one and then variable B equals to this one. Alright, so whatever the value we're gonna enter, we're gonna get it here. So the curly braces, so here we're gonna say variable Z or variable C equals to A plus B. Alright, and we're gonna save the variable in alert. We're gonna say sum of the, or we can say total sum, total sum is equals to C. Alright, let's see if it's working. Alright, let's refresh the page. Let me refresh it again. Okay, it's 2 plus 3. Is it doing anything? No, it didn't do anything. Alright, let's find out why. Oh guys, let me tell you some funny thing. We are not calling that function, so that is the only mistake we having with this one. So let's call this function here. So we have to pass the variable add. So we're gonna pass like A and B. Okay, so let's see if it's working or not. Alright, 2, 3, total sum. Oh, it is concatenating. What? Alright, so we have to get the value of A and B, and then we have to add that numbers. So guys, this is the scenario when it is considering the A and B as a string and it is concatenating that string. So to avoid that condition, what we have to do, we have to prefix with plus sign. In that way it will take its value instead of concatenating it. Alright, let's try to save it and run it. Where it goes. So firstly we're gonna say 5. Okay, 5. Alright, so the sum is 10. So this is how it is working. Or there is another way of saying it, like when you, instead of plus, you can also say it is a number, and then we can change it to the number. And in this way it should also work. So let's save it and see. 4 4 8. Alright, so this way it is also working. So you can make it work in two different ways. Alright, so now this function can also return a value. So what we can do, we can just simply put here a return, and instead of alerting here, we can alert here. So here we can say return, and we can return C, and so now when we call this function, it is returning the sum of the value of this one. So here we have to store it in a different variable. Let's store it in a total equals to this one, and then we can say here the total. We can put that in alert, the total sum of these values. So it is, you don't need to define a void or anything, or you don't need to give a data types here like we are giving in other programming languages. Alright, so here let's give a number 5, and this is giving 10. Alright, so now you can able to see how to concatenate and how to convert the numbers, string to the numbers, and how you can make a function. You can make a different functions, and it gonna work the same way what you are doing in the other programming languages. And let's do the other experiment. Let's pass another parameter here. Let's see the behavior, what it will do if it is not finding the other. If we are passing like 3 parameter, and here we are only putting like 2 parameters. Let's see what it will do. Okay, 5 6. So it is ignoring that parameter. So this is the other way we can define it. And let's try to remove the one parameter here, or let's give a right parameters, and here we can pass the here we can only pass one value. Let's see what it will do. I think this way it will give you just one value, which we enter here, 5 6. So it is not giving any value, guys, because it need the full parameter, otherwise it is like not available. Alright, so this is kind of this was a good experiment, and I think we learned a lot. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you liked the video. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.